In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently prepare your financial documents for tax filing using TurboTax Business. We'll take you through the essential steps of exporting your necessary reports and entering them into TurboTax Business to ensure a smooth and accurate tax preparation process. Let's dive in. First and foremost, let's talk about the preparation phase, exporting your necessary reports. This is where organization truly pays off. You need to gather all pertinent financial documents, specifically focusing on income and expenses. This data typically comes from accounting software, bookkeeping records, or banking statements. It's crucial because these documents form the backbone of your tax reporting accuracy. Begin by exporting your income report. This report will encompass all sources of revenue your business has received over the relevant tax year, allowing you to precisely track what needs to be reported. Similarly, export the expenses report. This will detail every business-related economic output that has occurred, such as utilities, rent, and payroll, to name a few. Having these reports organized and readily available on your desktop or in a dedicated folder can save you significant time and stress down the line. Now that your essential reports are ready, it's time to enter this data into TurboTax Business. Launch the TurboTax Business software on your computer. It's always wise to ensure that your software is up to date to benefit from the latest features and fixes. After launching, log into your account, or if you're a new user, create an account to gain access to the platform. Once inside TurboTax Business, you'll be prompted to start a new tax return. This is your workspace where you'll begin entering the data you've meticulously gathered. The software interface is user-friendly, which means it guides you effectively through each section. Start with the income section. Carefully input the figures from your income report. Take your time to ensure that each entry is correct, cross-referencing with the original document if necessary. Accurate entry here is critical because it directly impacts the overall tax liability. Following the income section, move on to entering your expenses. Here, you'll replicate the same careful attention to detail, ensuring every business expense from your exported reports is accounted for. TurboTax Business might also offer some helpful suggestions or additional deductions you might have missed, which could be quite beneficial in optimizing your tax outcome. After entering all necessary data, TurboTax provides a helpful feature allowing you to review everything before submitting. This review process helps identify possible errors or omissions, giving you peace of mind in your filing's accuracy. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on exporting necessary reports and entering them meticulously into TurboTax Business. By following